If you have ever tried selling through a regular video meeting tool, you already know the struggle. You spend half the call managing screen shares, switching tabs, and hoping the audience stays with you. That is where Meetn becomes interesting. This platform is built with one goal in mind, helping you run smooth, conversion-focused meetings without the technical chaos. From the moment you open it in your browser, Meetn feels like a tool designed for presenters who want clarity, control, and real impact. If you have wondered whether a meeting platform can actually help increase sales rather than distract from them, this is the moment to lean in. Meetn stands out by making your entire presentation flow feel calm and predictable. Instead of shuffling between windows, you can preload every single piece of content you plan to present. Slides, videos, audio files, and documents are ready inside the meeting room before your audience joins. That means you move from point to point with a single click, keeping the attention exactly where you want it. You can even add elements that guide decision-making, such as call-to-action buttons and countdown timers. These tools help keep your message structured and encourage faster engagement, especially during sales-focused sessions. The platform also shines when you want a wider reach. You can live stream your meeting to several major destinations at the same time, including Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and others. You are able to interact with comments from viewers on different platforms without leaving the meeting room. This gives your content the power to reach entirely new audiences through a single event. Real-time captioning and translation expand accessibility and make your message easier to follow for anyone who joins. Large events can be stressful, but Meetn removes many of the common worries. You can host up to 1,000 attendees without needing extra tools. Participants can raise their hands, send questions, and interact in a clean and simple environment. Co-host focus controls keep the spotlight on the presenters, while troublemakers can be removed instantly. Labels on every icon help you understand what each feature does without guessing. Since everything runs in the browser, there is no need to install software or worry about compatibility issues. Meetn is available on AppSumo with several one-time purchase plans, allowing you to choose the number of meeting rooms and storage space you need. Even the entry-level plan gives lifetime access, making it suitable for small teams and solo presenters who want a reliable platform without ongoing monthly costs. Higher tiers expand storage and room capacity, which can be helpful for businesses that run frequent webinars or larger sessions. If you're searching for a meeting platform that helps you sell more effectively, present confidently, and reach more viewers in one step, Meetn is worth serious consideration. The ability to preload content, manage engagement tools, and live stream in multiple places at once brings a level of control that standard video tools simply do not offer. With AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee, you can explore Meetn at your own pace and see whether the streamlined approach fits your workflow.